kababayan, kapitbahay, nandito siya ngayon. Kaya bigyan niyo ako ng kopya ng video ng event na to ha, kasi i-door-to-door delivery ko talaga to sa bahay nila.
Alright, for the question of Mr. Fifi,
Swerte mo rin. May I call on again, Miss Nadia Shani.
tinitigan mo na siya eh. Okay, so... Hello. Your question is, why do you think it's more fun in law school?
Thank you sa question. As a freshman, simple lang. Kasi sa law school, lahat mararamdaman mo, takot, saya ka ba. At saka lalo-lalo na yung feeling na may natutunan ka. First time mo mabagsak, first time mo mapahiya. Pero at the end of the day, marami kang natutunan. Thank you sa mga professors and sa mga batchmates.
Thank you very much, VP. So there you have it, Batang Law School. Your candidates for Mr. Conflicts 2012 in their question and answer portion. And that completes tonight's competition.
That's right. It's a clear manifestation that they only do not possess beauty, talent, but also wit and intelligence. So let's give them a round of applause. Well, after that nerve-wracking interview portion, our guests or candidates need a bit of a breather before we go to the announcement and awarding of winners. So,
Ladies and gentlemen,
And now, please meet Miss Conflicts of Law 2011. Jennifer Christine Yan.
as a child, winning something was difficult. More so if it is a beauty pageant. Mama and Papa would always often ask me, "Tulog na ka ba? Tulog ka? Sure ba?" But growing old, I realized that before I could convince anybody, I needed to trust myself first. And so, I took the leap and trusted that I can do what I wanted to do, to be happy. Winning this Conflicts of Law 2011 was difficult, but it was grounded on fun, pride, and joy for the love of what are now the sophomores to whom I strongly believe. Victory in beauty pageants, law school, and even in the hearts of the many isn't easy. But as long as you want it, and as long as you're happy, you can win it. That's why I tell my mama and papa, "Sure did, go!" And I guess that's why I won. Thank you, and good evening.